Ever felt like your Creative Cloud is more of a software buffet than a streamlined workstation? Today, we're diving deep to isolate and unleash the power of Adobe Photoshop, breaking free from the full Creative Cloud suite. The first step involves managing your Creative Cloud installation, and getting it just right is critical. Launch the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer if you have not already checked to see if you are logged in with your Adobe account. Inside your desktop app, navigate to the Applications section, typically labeled Apps. Here, you'll see all the applications included with your current plan. Locate Photoshop and examine it closely for the next crucial step. Look for the 3 dots. These are your key to unlocking the process. Clicking the 3 dots gives you options for how you want to manage Photoshop, including uninstalling it. Select Uninstall. Pay attention to the Uninstall Prompts. We'll typically have choices like removing preferences or keeping them. Sometimes, leaving the original settings is best. The software is preparing to be extracted, one way or another. Finally, with Photoshop successfully installed, you may find the Photoshop executable file ready to use immediately. To use this version outside of Creative Cloud, you'll now need to launch the application on its own. And there you have it, Euro a standalone Photoshop, ready to boost your productivity while reclaiming some precious disk space. Happy editing!